If you play the game Rivals on Roblox, you might want to join the official Discord server because that's where you can find game codes and other important information about the game. If this video helps you, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. So first, after opening Discord, go to the left sidebar and click on Add a server. After that, click on the option called Join a server. Now you need to enter the invite code, which is exactly the one I'm showing here on the screen. Make sure you type it exactly the same way because if you enter it incorrectly, you could accidentally join a fake or unofficial server instead of the real rival server. Once you've confirmed that the invite code is correct, click on Join Server. After that, you've officially entered the rival's Discord server. However, before you can access all of the channels, you need to complete a verification process. Without doing this verification, most of the server will stay locked. To start a verification, look at the left sidebar again and click on the channel called verification. A message will appear there explaining the process. In this case, the server uses a third-party verification tool called Rover. Rover connects your Roblox account with your Discord account to verify that you're a real player. To continue, click on the Update My Roles button. If the button is locked like mine is right now, that means you first need to accept the server rules. To do that, click on the blue button called Complete. Read through the rules, scroll all the way down, check the box that says I have read and agreed to the rules, and then click Submit. After completing the rules section, the Update My Roles button will become available. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to a page in your web browser where you need to connect your Roblox account to your Discord account.